Hey y'all, come with me to the Color Factory in Houston, Texas. When I say I thoroughly enjoyed myself, okay? So when you come in, they're gonna have you sit down right in the middle there into your time slot. And then there's gonna be a man to welcome you in, lay down the ground rules, play little games. You know, I feel like he was really trying to get in my video, so I let him get his little shine. And then they give you one of these where, so all throughout they have professional pictures that you can take in each setting, and it's for free. So you just scan it and you take your pictures, you know, how you want it. And that was, as you see, a bunch of cookies. You can go ahead and take one. Those are the flavors, and they make sure you have no food allergies. And then you go ahead into the first spot. Okay, yes, they do have to give you your instructions. You can only walk forward, so you can't go back. You can take all the time you need, but you can't walk back, if that makes sense. Now this is definitely giving sale vibes, but you can talk to each other through the glass and pretty much just try to draw each other, and they try to give you like the circle, the eyes, and you know, try to help you out. Now this is a place where you can just pick what type of candy you like. They always say you have to take some candy. Don't be rude. They offer you some candy, you gotta take it. But make sure you just take one. Don't be in there just grabbing a handful. Now this part, I thoroughly enjoyed. This was the ball pit. But what they don't tell you is that them balls is hard as hell. Now they give you a place to put your stuff down. But when I say I thought I was going to be walking on like cushion type balls, absolutely not. The bottom of my feet was hurting real bad. Real bad. But you can fall back. You can fall back. Yeah, you can't jump, you can't dive. But if you fall back, you won't be hurt. Y'all gonna be okay. But this part right here, this is when I realized, oh no. Feet was hurting, and it was extremely hard, as y'all see, to get through them things. I wish they would have made them just a tad bit softer. But like I said, if you was just to fall back, you're gonna be good. It's not gonna hurt at all. It's gonna be soft. Now they was having, but they was having a what you call those? Like a fight, a ball fight. I can't think of the name right now. My mind is going blank. But and they let them do it. You know, they had a little fun. Now this is where you take your picture. So you see the thing on the right. You go ahead and scan your little card. You take your picture. And this is how it looked on the top. You know, I gotta give y'all all the views, baby. I was in there relaxing, okay? I was getting a little too comfortable. Now, at the end of it, they're gonna give you some ice cream. You know, I had to make sure it was free, child. But yes, they give you some ice cream. It was lavender and another color. I was a little nervous because I never had lavender ice cream before. You know, I would do a lavender scent, yeah, and I got me a straw. You can pick between a balloon, a sticker, and a straw. And I got me a straw. And then they give you $2 off to the gift shop. You know, they got a gift shop at the end, child. But I'm pretty sure these videos is out of order because there were more things as we see. Now this was like a smell room, and they had different smells. This was a little weird, but I mean interesting. And you just go up and you smell it. I'm like, okay. We can go ahead and leave. And this is me going down the stairs. I think this is where it leads to the gift shop. And like I said, they give you a $2 coupon as long as you pay at least $10. Walked right on past that. And then this was like a color theme wall, and the color matched like places in Houston. So, you know, like the shopping carts and, you know, Main Street, and you know, just different parts of Houston, real cute. And then this is like a nice little map, and they will show you from the wall where everything is at on the map, y'all. It was real nice, real cute. I didn't get this up close, so I had to make sure I got that. But look at the hair, baby. This is how you know I had a ball in the hair pit, okay? This was the look of the evening. I highly recommend Color Factory. See y'all next week, and thank y'all for watching as always.